Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see this is my iPhone 11. By mistakenly one camera is broken. I'm purchasing one of the kit coming from Amazon, just only 10 euro, and myself I repair this camera. So how I repair, we will see detailed demonstration. So let's check it out. This is the iPhone 11 and my camera is a little damaged. I ordered one of the kit. This link is already available on video description. Inside the kit we receive one blade. Removing this one, here one, using this one you can remove the glasses, clean, and this is the one small light towel. And inside here we receive two cameras, the cover. This is the damage, so we can very easily replace this one. First of all, I just simply use this needle and remove this glass. Make sure the case sensitive. The glass is finally broken. I use this one. So I clean everything properly. Look at this here. Open this box. Inside this box we receive two glasses with this one. Here one of the sticker is also available, glowing sticker, so we can fix here. So first of all I just simply check, and we need to remove this one, so this one can fix very easily. So first of all I will show you how fix this glass here. So look at this here. The glass after fixing look like this. So I remove this one, and now time to fix like this. So look at this, and I just simply press using this one little. So final outcome like this. Just only $10 I spent here, and I repair myself this camera. So this is the simple tips and tricks how you repair iPhone 11 camera yourself if sometimes camera is damaged. If you have any question related on this video, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.